Backup singers, what is good? It's your boy Joey Sings and welcome back to my channel for a brand new video, honey. Listen, you guys, Scott done released episode 2 of Empire's SMP season 2, y'all, and I'm excited to get back into it but listen, if you want to backup singer, honey, before we get into the video, go ahead and become one, smash that subscribe button as well as hit that bell to be notified when I upload brand new videos like this. It is that simple, honey, and let's get into the video. Here we go.
I'm free to be me, I'm free to be happy, yeah. I'm free to be me, yeah.
Alrighty, you guys, so I got the video pulled up, and let's get into Scott, honey. Here we go.
My best friend! He's still there!
Yes, for the little llama! What's that, a llama?
Hi guys, and welcome back to the next episode of Empire's SMP. So, it has been a while since I was last on the server, and
his little house
I've been
is so
away.
cute.
In person, I was actually in America at VidCon, which
Ooh.
had a wonderful time, and that is why I was not there for the dragon attempted fight. I heard...
Alright, see, sir, because I was accusing you. I was accusation you, and I would say that Scott was involved, that he knew what had went down over there, but he was over here in America at VidCon, so he wasn't even on the SMP solo. Who done did it? Oh, Zorn off his back.
Something went wrong. I still don't know exactly what. I just heard that it didn't go right. But we're here, and also, as you... What the heck is that? Hello? Why do I have to live next to people who are good at building? But since last episode...
You good at building too, friend.
Now, I have flattened a bit of land over there, and you can spot a couple chests in the grass, because we're going to be building a barn today. And I can move all my animals inside.
Yes.
It's not like these little pens. I might keep them for something else.
They're adorable.
We're going to do a barn. But another thing I want to show you all is over here. I was doing some mining, just getting some iron and such, because I kept running through tools, chopping down all my trees. And over in this area, I discovered something wonderful. All the way down there is a skeleton spawner, and that's fantastic for me. Not only is it a good source of experience, it's also the perfect source of bone meal.
Yes.
And my export is color. I'm going to be selling all of the different dyes.
Yes.
So being able to set that up and then set up the whole bone meal thing will be great. I'll be able to like get more of these azure ones and turn them into grey dye. I'll be able to get more of these sunflowers and put them into yellow dye. And hey look, a poppy. What an ugly flower. But today's mission is not going to be
what an ugly flower.
Today's mission is the barn. Also, I found a super cool barn design by someone named Blue Nerd Minecraft, which I have taken and then tweaked the build palette and a few things just to make it my own. And by some things, I mean I basically dumbed it down to make it easier for me because, like, brain no thinking. So we're just making it more colorful.
I love Scott.
And stripping it back a little bit. For some reason, my build palette this time is lots of strip wood, which means I need to work twice as hard. 4 times as hard, actually. But we need to go and
But
sleep,
it's so
because
cute.
Rule number 1 is...
I
you never
love
start
the
building
aesthetic
anything.
so far.
Actually, rule number 1 of Minecraft's never dig down, but I'm sure building at nighttime is probably up there. You're like 17 or something, I don't know. But here you can see my collection of materials. So, with that out the way, let's jump into the time-lapse. As you've seen from the time-lapse, we finished the barn!
First of all, the barn is bigger than his house. But this is so beautiful. Oh, I love it.
It's super cute. It's also massive, like the size of my starter base.
Yes! It's bigger than the house, friend.
It's actually super, super cute. I love the colored roofs, and on the inside, I've done 2 little pens on either side. You can come up here where I'm going to put a bunch of like chests and barrels for like the different stuff I would collect.
Oh, that is so
cute. So that we'll have a path that cuts through into the back here, and obviously we'll maybe connect the path up to Joel's area, though. I'm not sure if Joel's going to have floor paths or if I'm going to need to start building like floating bits up. I don't know.
That is so
that
cool.
Seems like a lot of work for me. But
Joel can build.
I
love his
at the
builds.
moment. As you can see, I've connected the paths up here. And what I want to also do is then I'm going to turn sort of this area on either side, just like maybe about here, into fields of wheat, just sort of leading up to the barn. But we are going to start by getting a bunch of sheep over. So if any of you would like to come with me, okay. I will eventually have to set up like an automatic sheep shearing farm, probably, but that is not an episode.
Oh, he did that in the last thing.
I'm pretty sure I did that in episode 2 last season, but this time
he definitely did that in one of the seasons.
I do have quartz. Actually, no, I do have quartz. I don't have redstone. I will put the sheep in here. Oh my goodness, they're climbing the ladders. This is wild. You know, maybe I put them in 2 pens. You will get this one.
Yes.
You can have this one. And there we go.
Yay.
I may eventually break that, but for now, it's fine. Oh, one of the sheep has escaped. Oh my goodness, it's spontaneously components. Wow, what happened? Okay, the next one is going to be the chickens. Again, I will eventually set up like a chicken dispensary thing, but for now, you're going to come with me.
Yes, for a chicken dispensary.
You're all going to come in here. And then I will breed them. Sorted. Okay, now is going to be the hard part, or the tedious part.
I love watching Scott's videos because there's always an aesthetic. Like, the vibe is just so calming, so relaxing. Everything is super duper cute, and I am here for it.
Well, I'm going to have to go and make a bunch of holes. I'm going to do a bunch of dirt.
Oh, Lord.
Flattening of, like, this area first.
You need a whole bunch of holes for that. That's a lot of ground.
This land. This is going to take a while. Okay, after several holes later, we have
Yes, for several holes later.
Now, this is all going to eventually be wheat, but you can see I've done sort of like a little bit on both
Oh,
sides.
that is
running up to the barn. And now I just have an inventory full of wheat seeds that I'm going to need to plant. So, I suppose we'll run over here and just...
You're going to need a lot of wheat seeds,
This is going to
friend.
be my life for the next 10 minutes. So, this was all the
Yes, get into it.
You know, this is probably going to have to be a several session process because that's like 6 stacks of seeds.
Oh, wow.
Didn't realize actually how many. Oh, I have 1 more stack. Great. You know, for this final stack, I'm going to do.
That's a lot
this little up area here
of
just to get
seeds.
some depth. There we go. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need way more seeds for this.
Way
because
more.
This doesn't work. I'm going to need more. And I also should sleep because it is nighttime and raining. So, now that we have the barn and the wheat fields done, we're going to do something that was mentioned last episode. Now, last episode, I met my best friend, but I was not able to bring my best friend home. That's going to change. So for anyone who is confused,
Yes.
during the first episode,
It was the
I stumbled
llama.
across a llama.
There
who I
was a
said
llama.
going to be my best friend, and that's because I love llamas. There are reasons for me loving llamas that you will eventually find out, but for now, you could just know I love llamas.
Why do you love llamas? Are you a traveling trader? Oh, Lord.
More reasons.
Oh, wait,
Well,
lore
I stumbled
reasons.
across a llama on our first episode,
Ooh,
but I had no way of
ooh,
getting
I like
it.
lore.
Now I have leads, so now I can. My best friend!
Yay.
He's still there! Hello! Look at you!
He was waiting for
waited
you.
this whole time? Well, don't worry, I'm here. I'm just having a look. Do I see any other friends? No. I'll take you for now, and then I will go adventuring for more friends. So it's not just us. But it's fine, because at the moment we're best friends.
Yay.
Right? Yeah.
Yes.
If it wasn't for copyright issues, I'd be playing that like best.
That's my
friend
best
song,
friend, and
but
she a real
I
it.
can't,
Got my
so
own money.
I'm just gonna have to
Yeah,
imagine
she is on
the best friend, don't worry.
Hey,
I'm going to
hey.
not be in the barn. I'm gonna put you in like the outside pens for now, just so you can like be used to the open air.
Yes, because you're the bestie.
Chickens, because they're loud. But look, there's our new home. We
Yay.
don't actually have a name for it yet, so it's home though. Speaking of which, I have zero idea what I want my empire/kingdom to be called. I just know that whatever the name is, it's going to be the Color Kingdom. That's what I want. It's
Ooh.
something the Color Kingdom. How like Rivendell was technically the Gold Kingdom or Empire, and like Catherine's Place was the Flower Kingdom. The Color Kingdom works really well and sounds nice.
Can it be
but I need a name
Rainbowtopia?
before it.
Rainbowtopia.
So please help with the comments
Yay.
below with your suggestions. Can you breathe?
I like Rainbowtopia.
Can you have children? I'm just trying to work out the logistics of if I need to go and get like 100 of you or whether I can get a friend.
Oh Lord, not
and then
100.
You can do the other part. We'll figure that out.
Ooh.
We'll figure that out. We're here. And we're gonna pop you into here. Okay. You enjoy for now.
Bless me, honey.
I'm gonna go and attempt to find you another friend. I'll be back.
We going on a friend hunt?
Eventually. Do not fret. So I did a little look, and apparently they spawn in savanna plateaus, which means I need to go to a savanna. But also, that was definitely not a savanna he was on. So you know, there's chances that that's just wrong. It would also be much easier to run around and explore and find where llamas are if I had an elytra. But some people have stolen them all. Okay, not all, but like Joel and Sausage have been to the end and gathered like 6.
Oh my goodness.
Elytras each.
They better give you one.
Greedy people.
That
We're
part.
doing this
Greedy
because
people.
Savannah Village, and there's a savannah over there. And I'm hoping, just by existing near it, there may find a llama. Someone has built this horribly ugly bridge.
That is an
and I will
ugly
use it.
bridge.
Thank you. Don't know why they chose to build it at an angle, but here we are. Oh, there's some cows. I do actually need cows. I'll leave them here for now because I need to come back, but... A llama!
Ooh.
And another
Ooh.
llama! Oh my gosh, this is the best day ever. You... And you... And maybe I grab 2 cows.
Wait, is more
Yeah,
llamas?
I'll grab 2 cows. Look at the squad.
Look at the
Rolling
squad.
out. I love that it just like attaches to your hip. That's cool.
That is cool.
Now see, this is the bit I'm slightly worried about. Maybe if I just sprint.
Run, don't look back. Just run, don't look back. Don't look back.
Okay, I see 3. We did lose a cow.
Don't lose a llama.
Come on. Don't follow me, 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 don't follow me. Oh no.
Oh, creeper. No, creeper. Bad creeper. Bad creeper.
Okay, let's get out of here. And I'll get another cow later. Probably easier when it's just one. Gosh dang it, cow, come on. See, this is why llamas are my best friends.
Right, because cows
Llamas
just
are
stressful.
great. Cows are icky. Now I'm gonna free you 2 for now. Grab the cow. But you're not going in here, don't worry. You 2 are gonna come over here with me. You can get out my wheat field. Welcome. Can I breathe?
We out here just boom.
No.
Back up.
No.
You ain't going
I don't know
nowhere.
how to breed. Maybe I need to tame you first. I'll do that later. For now, I actually want to get this brown sheep inside.
Oh, I
Because
thought you just
realized
killed him.
Brown sheep are natural spawning, rarely. And I don't have cocoa beans, so...
Oh.
There we go.
That's
We got some
smart.
new friends. This is great. Okay, so I did some research, and it turns out I can tame the llamas, and then I can breed them with hay bales. But before I can tame them, I'm going to need
I just realized that Scott's eyes were 2 different colors. Oh, I love
to
it.
sit on them. So, hello, we're going to become best friends now.
Yes,
all,
besties.
All 4 of us. No, best friends. This would be much easier if you just love me. Why does everything I try and love reject me? There we go.
Aww.
See, if you just whittle them down.
Y'all better let Scott love y'all.
Eventually will love you. I mean, that's what Minecraft's taught me anyway. There we go. And last one.
Yay.
You all love me? Yay! Okay, now I'll go get you some hay bales. Give me a minute. I never actually want to really mine from this wheat field because it took so heckin' long to do.
That part.
So I think if I just only ever do like 1 corner of it when I need wheat, we'll be fine. I also definitely need to set up an automatic board.
You definitely gonna need
because I have
something.
so many seeds. Okay, hay bale. You get 1. You get 1.
Yay! Give us
Make
a
it
baby.
The baby!
So cute.
Okay, now that you're all my friends, I want to get some wool. I'm going to give you all carpets. 2 seconds.
Ooh.
I luckily already dyed a few of my sheep different colors, so I think the first ones are going to have to be kind of like cyan,
Ooh.
yellow, and magenta.
Ooh.
Though I need to wait for the yellow sheep to, eat. That might take a while. I'm just going to grab a little bit of white
And turn to
and I'll
yellow.
just dye that yellow. Just like
That's the
just
easiest
like-
way, yes.
There we go. Yellow carpet, cyan carpet, magenta carpet.
Oh, I
These
love
3 are
it.
main sort of like colors of our empire. The cyan, the magenta for like the roofs and also in my jacket and my hair. The yellow, my collar and my sleeve. And eventually I want to have llamas of all different colored carpets running around. But I think for the starting 3 it should be you. So we'll pop a yellow onto you. Adorable. You can have a magenta. Cute.
Oh,
And
that's so
you can have a
cute.
cyan. Stunning. Look at you all! Adorable. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Empire's SMP. We managed to build ourselves a wonderful barn and the biggest wheat field on the server. We also found ourselves a skeleton spawner, which I will be turning into a spawner farm thing. And we got
look at his eyes.
3, which is now 4 best friends. I'm excited to get more of these llamas. I have big plans down the line. I have a few ideas swirling in my crazy brain that I'm going to do with these. But if you have any ideas that you want to see me do in this season, remember to leave a like, comment down below. Also, help me come up with a name for the kingdom. All I know is it's going to be something the Color Kingdom. So I need a name for that first part. But let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you do not miss a video. And I will see you all next time. Bye!
Oh my goodness. I don't know what he got going on and what he planned, baby, but I am ready to find out because this was too cute. Period. Alrighty, you guys, there you have it. Meet reacting to Scott's latest POV of Empire's SMP Season 2, y'all. And I am here for the llamas, I am here for the cuteness, and I'm ready for the lore, honey. Period. If you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think he should name his kingdom, honey, or his empire. You know what I mean. Let's talk about it, y'all. If you're not a backup singer, you made it this far in the video, go ahead and become one. Smash that subscribe button as well as hit that bell to be notified when I upload brand new videos like this. It is that simple. Don't forget to love yourself, love someone else, and I will see you guys next time. Jesus.